All right, y'all, so we are unboxing my CookUnity order. So I got 16 meals and they all came in this bag. So as you know, I'm vegan, so my husband got me this for Christmas. So it's a subscription-based order that you can place and you get meals weekly. Comes in 8, 12, 16, however meals you want to get on a weekly basis. Now, this is my first go with this, so I'm going to give it a try, put it on pause, see how I like the meals that I did order, and then I'll pick it back up and order some more meals. You can put these in the refrigerator, the freezer, cook them when you're ready. They do recommend that you cook these in the oven and not microwave, just so you can get the best taste out of them. So I got 16 vegan meals. So this is the first one. So I got mushroom and lentil bolognese. So this is what they come in, the little box here, and it has nutritions on the panel. It tells you exactly what's in it. So this is the mushroom and lentil bolognese, and this is what it looks like. And you can just put it in the oven just like this. Of course, I'm gonna take out that packet, but that's one. Then I have the Middle Eastern and vegan chili, y'all. So let's see what that one looks like. So this one is separated into compartments, but looks really good, and it's fresh as well. So these are cooked for you or prepared for you on a weekly basis. They aren't taking these out of the freezer or anything like that. So this is the tofu cold noodle salad. It also has the picture of the chef who prepared the meal. So I'm able to check out and see who's cooking the food that I'm ordering. So this is Chef Miguel Zamudio. And it's a tofu cold noodle salad with Thai basil and peanuts. All right, next we have the Mediterranean falafel crusted artichokes by Chef Ainat Admani. Yeah, that looks so good. I can't wait to eat this one. So I am gonna freeze some because I can't eat all 16 by myself. But they come in this freezer packet, and an individual in the local area just delivered that to me. So I did order a couple that were exactly the same. So like the tofu tiki masala, the bean and corn stuffed sweet potato, we haven't gotten there yet. Got 2 of those, and the yam, chickpea, and cauliflower curry, and the Middle Eastern vegan chili. I got 2 of those. So it tells me exactly what I ordered on here. So next we have the farro and baked tofu bowl. I mean, it has every single ingredient that's on here. It has the instructions from the chef on how you should preheat it. It also has the fast instructions as well if you're in a hurry. Again, these are meals because you don't have time to always cook, or if you just want some creative ideas. So this is the farro and baked tofu. Again, y'all, look at how fresh this food is. I'm so excited to try all of it. All right, that's the Middle Eastern and vegan chili. We have the yam, chickpea, cauliflower curry. I have not opened this one yet, so let's check it out. Look at that, basmati rice. I love basmati rice. It's going to absorb all of that sauce and flavor from the chickpea curry. And this is Chef Andres Mendez. Girl, we have chefs who know how to cook this food. It's not people like me trying to cook curry. It's people who know how to cook this food. All right, so that's Chef Andres. Then I got the tofu tiki masala. Ooh, don't have to go to a restaurant. All right, this is the tofu tiki masala with some mashed potatoes. The sauce got a little bit out, but probably eat this one first. But that's my little tofu right there. And this is Angela Cole. So reset with Angelia Cole. So she does have a spaghetti one that I really want to try. I don't want to pause it yet because that's new this week. So I do want to try her new spaghetti that she has available. And then we have a bean and corn stuffed potato. Y'all, I am just so excited. Look how fresh that potato is. Look how fresh these beans are. You can see this stuff is not frozen. They are cutting these vegetables fresh and making these sauces fresh for you. All right, got my bean and potato. And look, another cold pack, ensuring that the food that arrives does not go bad before it gets to your door. This is the tofu and tiki masala here again. Ooh, taco bowl with black beans and quinoa. Look at that taco bowl. And it has even the little taco strips here. So I want to make sure I eat this first too, because I don't want those to get soggy. And I'm putting them back in because I need to remember what it is and what the ingredients are and what the chef instructions are. And then I have a 3-bean crispy rice, and this is by Nahika Hillary. Look at Nahika, y'all. And now if you try to find these chefs like out on the internet, you can, but you have to get these foods through CookUnity. Like, I'm not a CookUnity rep, but I was really excited to try this, and I'm trying to decide whether or not I'm going to continue with this. But she made this 3-bean crispy rice. Look at that. And it has a tangy soy and lime dressing. And then my mushroom and lentil bolognese. And a Caribbean stewed okra by Chef Nahika, y'all. You can tell this is authentic. Look at Nahika. But look at this Caribbean stewed okra. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all, I'm so excited to try this. And I have this bag. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I can use it for the future when I'm shopping for my fruits and vegetables. But I probably won't have to for a while now, because I have all of these dishes that I'm going to eat. I got so many. I don't even know what I'm going to do with them. Now, let's talk about price. So my husband got me a $250 gift card for CookUnity. And I found a coupon code that was 50% off plus an additional 20% off if I made my purchases within the first 30 days. So I'm going to time my purchase. So I got these first 16 because I wanted to get the maximum benefit. The more you get, the bigger the discount is that you have. Now, some of it's a little bit of pennies, but you get 16 meals, you get a bigger discount. Now, I'm going to place my next order. Again, this was 16. I'm going to place the next 12 order before the 30 days is up, so I can get the 50% plus the 20% off. And then I'll consider after that how much I have left on my gift card, if I'm going to continue and place another order afterwards. But even if I don't, I can unpause the membership, pause the membership anytime that I want to, and see if they have anything new. It has new updates every single week with new options. Like I said, I can't reset by Angelia. She has new spaghetti that's out there. So if you aren't vegan, there's so many options out there. There's vegan, there's vegetarian, there's like, if you want a keto diet, anything like that, it's all on there. So definitely check it out, y'all.